Hey guys, Frank here. Hope you're having a great day. Just want to do a short video on something I experienced today. I'll share it with you. Um, I have a shed out back that I was putting some vinyl stuff around the bottom of it, like you put around mobile homes. I had an existing shed there that was next to it that had laid some fence panels, and all of a sudden some green algae started to grow on it. Didn't know the best way to clean it, but I'm going to share with you my experience with that. It's amazing, easy, and probably cost about 3 cents to do it. Um, anyway, have a look at it. Let me know if it helps you at all. Okay, great. Hope you're having a great day. Bye.
Guys, I'm gonna do a little video about this mold, this green stuff. Actually, I got a lot of it off before I decided, wow, this really works great. So I just thought I'd share it with you. This is my little shed, garage shed. That anyway, this is just normal mobile home siding. I stacked some fencing up against it. Now it got all green, and that's a light green. I've already come off it one time with the spray here, and it came clean. Actually, this whole front part was green. Now it's back to white, and I didn't even rinse it. I just sprayed it with my secret concoction, which is vinegar and water. We also have a problem with frogs in this area, so vinegar and water, if they don't like the smell of it, so they'll use it. But vinegar and water is great for so many things. Here it is right here. If you watch. You can see it breaking it up right there already. See that? Give it a good liberal shot. I'm actually going to do this piece again because I didn't rinse it. But that's without a rinse, it came that clean. Just soak it in there real good. It can't hurt it. There we go. I'll be back in a second. Actually, I'll just do it right here in front of you. I'll show you what I'm using anyway. Just a nice strong bristle brush to get it one time over. And as you can see, it's already turning like streaks that go with the lines of the little, I forget what they call this, the siding skirting. This one again. Field. Sorry about the camera work. But you all saw how green that was over the water. My home is all the way over there. There's no water, but I have some in this bucket. I'm just going to throw it on there and wash it away just like nothing. So you can see the sides that I need to clean a little better right in that area. I need to get some more water. Anyway, the point is just straight vinegar and water. Cleaned it right up for me. Alright, hope it helps. Have a great day, guys.